If you haven't been to Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City, Michigan, you're going to want to start booking your trip now. They have super spacious themed room, and my kids had a blast with their own little private area. And as you can see, of course, the main event is always going to be the water park. My kids loved splashing and seeing the water from the giant bucket come down. There are so many different places in this water park for kids that are small, kids that are big, and even adults. They had 3 different size slides. As you can see, the red and yellow are the medium-sized ones. This is the small one that my kids loved going down. Although these were the medium-sized slides, adults could feel free to go down as well. Overall, one of the great things about the Traverse City Water Park is the fact that you do not have to leave. We purchased the pup pass for each of the kids, and they did get a stuffed bear at their Build-A-Bear workshop. They got a cup of candy, a scoop of ice cream, and arcade tokens. Another fun thing that we did when we were there is visit Ten Paw Alley. This is a mini bowling area where you can have fun bowling with the entire family. Felt like there hasn't been enough already? They have character appearances and restaurants within the hotel. And of course, everything at Great Wolf is themed. And so you have so many cool things to look at while you're in the restaurant. They have themed plates, and that is for the kids. But then you also have delicious meal options for the adults as well. With the Paw Pass, you also get special deals and 20% off bubble wands. So of course we had to grab that too. So as I mentioned before, you have restaurants inside, you have ice cream shops inside to be able to eat and do everything that you would on a vacation just inside the hotel. They have crafts, they have bingo, they have so many different fun things, including an arcade for your kids to play at and never be bored. Overall, we highly recommend a trip to Great Wolf Lodge.